So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is going fine on your side, and like always, everyone is ready to learn a new strategy. I have already shared the details about the strategy which we are going to discuss today. The name of the strategy is Rodeo. How you can apply this strategy manually, automatically. I will be guiding you with that one. Then how exactly that strategy works, we will be discussing about that thing. Along with that, some major topics, some important topics like money management, risk management, of course we will be taking care of that as well. And in the meantime, as you might be already aware that CPI data is already floated into the market, so we will try to give you a quick insight about that also, that how that data affected the market and what are the things which you can observe when the next data will be there. So before starting this conversation, I just want to confirm one thing, that the comment section is already active. So in case if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, query during the session, feel free to write to me. I will be taking care of all of your doubts. Okay, and one more thing, one confirmation I am looking from your end before initiating the conversation. Please confirm if my audio and video is clear, because I just want to make sure that everything is streamlined before we will kick off this conversation. So just give me a thumbs up in the comment section, or you can just drop your emojis, heart, lit, whatever you want, just to give me a quick confirmation so that we can initiate. So Tanveer, hello, very warm welcome. And traders, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because whenever we will be coming live next time, you will be getting a notification, so you will be able to connect with us, because every now and then we are conducting sessions on this channel. This is the official channel of Olymptrade, and we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, Thai, Portuguese, Arabic, English, like whichever you are comfortable with, you can go ahead with that. Farah Malik, I am doing good. I hope you are also doing fine and everything is going good on your side. So I can see that so many traders have already joined. So without wasting any time, let's kick off today's conversation. So the name of the strategy which I have already discussed, I have already mentioned in the description, is Rodeo. Traders, understand one thing. In case if this strategy is locked for you, do not think that this session is not for you. I will be guiding you that how you can apply it manually. So rather than buying this strategy or spending anything on that one, just stay connected. I will be guiding you with everything. Okay, just stay connected. Okay, so the screen which is visible to you is it's like a mobile version. So my traders, my dear one, those who are using a browser version, so of course the interface might be a bit different, but one thing I can tell you, that all the technicals, whatever you need to use this strategy, is applicable in both of them. Okay, so let's quickly apply it automatically. So all you just need to go to this technical analysis button. Once you go there, either you can search in the search bar also, or just go to the strategy part, start scrolling down, and here is your strategy. These 3 lines will be indicating that it's an expert level strategy. FT and FX means it can be used for fixed time trading and forex, both of them. Once I'll click on that strategy, Tanveer, nothing to worry about that one. See, the best thing, if you start investing sometime, if you are ready to learn, of course we are here to help you. So nothing to worry about that one. Just start learning about that one. Just start diving into the financial market. Once you will be able to grab a hold, then you can switch to the real account. Till that you can explore it, or you can practice it on your demo account. I'm so sorry I would not be able to share my personal number, but nothing to worry. We are conducting sessions, so you can connect us here. So in this strategy, basically we are going to use 3 things. The first one is Heikin-Ashi candles. Second one is stochastic oscillator with the frequency of 1433, and the third thing is MACD with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9. Why I'm asking you to focus on this part, because whenever you need to apply any strategy manually, you can pick the details, you can pick the frequencies from here as well. Okay, I'll click on enable strategy, I'll click on cross, and everything is visible on my screen, that how we can use what are the technicals we are supposed to use. Now this part is majorly for those traders, those who haven't reached on expert level so far, or those who have reached but now again they are back to advanced or starter level because of any XYZ reason. Now how to apply this manually, let me show you. Just go to the chart type. Oh, sorry. Just a moment. Yeah, so here you can change from Japanese to Heikenaishi, first thing. Then what else you need? Wait a second, let me, okay. Yeah, so we need MACD and stochastic. I'll just go to the search bar, type MACD, click on that one. So same frequency, 12, 26, 9, everything is visible. In case if I want to make some amendments, of course I can click on that one, make the required amendments, make the required visualization changes, and rather than clicking on cross, remove or reset, click on back. Again, add more tools, type stochastic, click on that one, same frequency is there. In case any amendments are required, click on that one, change it, click on back. Click on these three dots, save strategy, next, and your strategy is ready to be used for free. So this is basically for those traders whose this strategy is logged and that is paid. Okay, so no need to buy this strategy. 95 to 98% of strategies which are available on the platform, that those can be applied manually. So I think I have shared us something very useful information. So I think I expect a thumbs up or some emojis or some reactions just to make this session more interactive. And let's now talk about that how this strategy exactly works. So as we have already talked about that there are three major things on which we are going to focus. First one is Heikenaishi candle. So the beauty of Heikenaishi candle is they are going to give you the information about the market with the help of the colors. By that I mean to say, red colors means market can move into the downward direction, green colors market can try to move into the upward direction. Very easy to understand, very easy to remember, right? Now let's talk about the second thing, MACD. In MACD there is a base level or mid level you can consider, or it's a zero level. While using MACD I am making a quick change in the visualization because MACD line and signal both are going to give you the same information which we are going to get from the histogram or along with the base zero level. So I will just consider only one of them rather than using both of them, because both of them are going to showcase the same information. So rather than making it confusing, I will be using only one of them. So that's how it's going to look like. So how exactly MACD works? So whenever the MACD line, MACD frequency is going to intersect the base level, then it will try to generate a signal. If the intersection is in the downward, market can move into the downward direction. If the intersection is in the upward, then market can try to move into the upward direction. This is the second confirmation. Now let's talk about one of my favorite, like which I'm keep on using, stochastic. In stochastic there are major two level. Traders, keep on commenting in the comment section, nothing to worry about that one. I will be taking each one of your comment. I will be guiding you with everything, all your doubts, concerns, nothing to worry. Just allow me some time. Let me just introduce the strategy. Then when we will be moving to the live action, we will start taking some live trades. Then I will be moving to the comments as well. I request you, do not spam in the comment section. I will be taking care of everything. Okay. Now, as I was talking about stochastic, in stochastic there are major two level. One is the 80 and the second one is 20, which we call as overbought zone, which is 80, oversold zone, which is 20. So how stochastic is going to work? It is a trend reversal tool. Trend reversal means in this one we are not going to follow the trend. We are going to wait for the price corrections, or we are going to wait for the trend reversal once the market will change its direction. By that I mean to say, if the market is keep on going upward, whenever you will be finding an intersection between these two lines and this overbought zone with these two frequencies, or intersection of these two lines with the oversold zone, then you will not be following the trend anymore. Then you will start waiting for the price correction. Price correction means if the market is keep on moving into the upward direction, market will change the direction and start moving downward, and that could be the vice versa. Okay, so stochastic is something which you can use for use with any another strategy. Sometime I am talking to some traders and they are stating that, sir, I was following a so and so strategy which was a trend following strategy, and I just picked one signal, but there was a sudden reversal. So if you are using stochastic along with those strategies, then you will be able to grab a hold on some sudden volatility or sudden reversal, because you will be observing that market is either in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone. So at that time, reversal is most expected. Now traders, before we'll initiate the live action, some important points to be considered. First one, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So considering that thing, trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. Make sure you learn about it, you understand about it, and then you start exploring. You can share the link of this channel, this session, to your dear ones also, so they can also connect with us. We will also try to help them in their trading concerns. First thing. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken, I am going to take during the session, or I will be taking in the future, I will be responsible for them. Everything is going to be depending on my skill set. Third and most important thing, even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening in front of you right away, that will be visible to you after couple of seconds or a minute. So please traders, please avoid doing copy trading. Just learn the strategy, learn about it, because this session is active for next 30 to 40 minutes, but you have to trade after that as well. So that is the thing. Focus on the strategy, learn about it, then of course you will be able to grab a hold on while you will be focusing on the demo account, and then you can use it on your life. Okay, so just focus on learning part. Earning, you can do it later on also. Okay, so I am expecting that I have cleared everything, that how this strategy works, what are the things we are supposed to take care, how you can apply it manually and from the system itself. In case if anybody is still having any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. I will be taking care of that one. Nothing to worry about. Okay. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's kick off the today's live action. Let's start using this strategy on live trading. Okay, so we got a couple of confirmation, but we are quite late, so we will wait for the exact confirmation once we will be getting any signal. Okay, so market is somewhere in the consolidation, not suitable for the trade. So we will keep on shuffling our cards. We will keep on looking forward for a perfect signal, and whenever we will be getting any opportunity, we will try to grab it. The suggested time frame for this strategy, like chart time frame, minimum chart time frame is 1 minute, and the trade time frame can be from 2 to 3 candles. So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, 2 to 3 candle means 2 to 3 minute trade. If you will increase the chart time frame from 1 to 2 minute or 5 minutes, then you can calculate the time according to the number of candles. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling our cards. We will not be bothering that which assets we are exploring or on which assets we are checking, because set of rule for all the assets. So see, there was a very nice signal. So all three confirmations were there: green candles, MACD intersection, and then these frequencies were also coming back from the oversold zone. So if we would have opened a trade on this candle, there was a short profit. But again, see traders, understand one more thing. It's just a technical tool. It's not going to promise you 100% accuracy. So consider that thing as well. It's not like that you have learned this strategy, you have practiced it, you found some good results, and then you will start investing your complete capital in 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 trades. Use your money management and risk management also along with that, because there is a possibility that the medicine which is working for me, that might not be working for you. And that could be the vice versa. I mean to say, the strategy which I am using, I am making profit, you might not be able to get a hold, or I might not be able to get a hold which you are using. So make sure practice it first. Okay, So sooner or later we can expect a signal. Red candles are there. MACD is quite far, but sometime I'm trading on the basis of stochastic also. So let's do one thing. Let's take one trade. So okay. So so USD CHF, I just grabbed the opportunity, but I didn't notice that how much is the profitability. No worries, but at least we found a profitable trade. On gold OTC also we found a profitable trade. AUD JPY OTC is in the pipeline, we just executed. And those who have already used this strategy in the past, please make sure you share your experience in the comment section. If you are facing some difficulties, of course that will be very helpful for me, so that I will be able to guide you. If you are able to make some profits, make sure you share your experience, because that will be motivating other traders also. So because as I am always used to say that we are like a family, so I think we should help each other. What do you say, traders? Like, if you are agree with my point, if you are agree with my conversation, I believe I expect some reactions, emojis, hearts, lights, or thumbs up, anything. Okay, so let me take some comments also, and in the meantime, if you will be getting any signals, just drop me in the comment section. I will be exploring that one. If that will be suitable, I will be guiding you. I will be taking a trade as well, and if not, at least I will be guiding you that what are the things which are missing in that one. And I can see so many traders, so many friends, they have said hello to everyone. Amiji, Midhun, official A World, hello to everyone. Okay, so Vittal is saying, sir, whenever I try to trade by default, I fail to use proper strategy and I lose money many times. Vittalji, see, understand one thing. There are major two mistakes which traders are making. Either they are trying to catch a running train, mean to say that the signal is already missed, it's already gone like 2 to 3 candles prior to that, and then we are trying to grab it. Or second thing, we are taking a trade on assumptions that signal can be there, signal might be there. So both of these conditions should be avoided. I am on that specific asset, signal is there, signal is quite new, I will be initiating the trade. And that is also affect depending on your trade time duration and chart time duration. For an example, like just for a quick example, I am not suggesting you to take trade for a very short time duration. I'm just giving you an example. Now if you are trading on 5 seconds, 1 second to generate the signal, 1 second to understand the signal, and 1 second to execute the signal. Okay, now out of 5 seconds, 3 seconds are already gone, so that means 60% of candle is already gone. That can create a blunder. At the same time, if you are using the same strategy, everything is the same, but the chart time frame is higher, like 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, then those 3 seconds are not going to affect that much. You can calculate the ratio behind 5 seconds behind 3 seconds behind 5 seconds, and 3 seconds behind 60 seconds, or 120 seconds, or 300 seconds. So that's how we should also focus on. If the signal is quite new and the chart time frame is also quite handsome, we can pick the signal. But if the signal is quite old, like it's been already 1 candle has already passed or 2 candle has already passed, try to drop it, wait for the next one. Because it's not only about executing trade, it's about executing the correct trade. In trading, there is like one saying which we are used to say, it's not about that how many trades you have taken, or it's not about that how much money you have invested. It's always about whenever the trades are right, you should be investing high. Whenever the trades are negative, you should be investing the lowest. Now some traders will be stating that, sir, how we would come to know that this trade will go positive or not? By practicing, by using techniques, by using different technical tools and strategies. Okay, so our AUD JPY was a negative, so there was a reversal. No worries. Okay, so there was one confirmation which was missing. No worries, we'll try to recover it. Let me try to analyze at least couple of more assets. We will. Okay, so we can expect a signal sooner or later on Asia Composite. The candles has started changing their color. At the same time, MACD is also trying to move towards the base level. Stochastic is quite next to the oversold zone, so it's also trying to show that the market is somewhere in the consolidation. But once we will be finding a signal, Let me see, let me do one thing. I will switch it to Japanese candle also, because Japanese is something like which I am very used to. Oh, so wait a second, I need to apply this strategy again. Okay, yeah, so let me switch to Japanese. The reason behind like why I am used to use Japanese candle, because in Japanese you can draw the support and resistance level also at the same time if the consolidation. So as I mentioned that the consolidation is going on, when we were checking the high Kanashi candle, all back to back green red candles were visible. But when I have just switched to the Japanese, so we can find red, green, red, green, red, green. So as there are three basic rules which we are supposed to follow whenever we are using any strategy along with the Japanese candle. First one, never ever trade in a consolidation market. We will, as we know, trend is your friend, like Kunal Kapoor is your friend. So we should be focusing on only trending market. Doesn't matter whether the market is moving into the upward direction or downward direction, it should be a trending market. First rule. Second thing, do not trade when the market is stuck somewhere in the support level or resistance level. Second rule. Third one, whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure you just pay a quick focus, quick attention on the previous generated candle. By that, I'll just give you a quick, very easy way to understand. Like, of course, there are going to be a number of candle patterns and chart patterns which you are supposed to focus on. But just a quick overview: bigger the body, smaller the wick, that candle can be a good candle to execute the trade. Of course, like if I'll try to start analyzing a candle, like what exactly it's this candle is showing or this candle is showing. So market was trying to move into the upward direction. There was a price rejection. So market closed somewhere in the down below level. So that is a different call. But if you just want to have a quick introduction about that specific candle, that whether that candle is suitable, so you can try to apply that one. Bigger the candle, bigger the body, smaller the wick, can be a favorable candle. That's it. Okay, so let's try to shuffle our cards, try to move to the different asset, even though it's about to 7 o'clock. So US market is about to open, and I was talking about CPI data. Let me just give you quick information about that also. But before that, let me just take a couple of more comments. So hello to everyone. Hi. Sir, I win trade on demo account, but when I trade in a real account, I lose all money. Gaming Baiji, this is a very common mistake, or this is very common case. The reason behind it, let me tell you the reason behind it. First thing, like if you have any doubt like why my trades are going positive in that one, negative in real funds, open open your account in two different devices. In one, open the live account. In second, open the demo account. You will be finding exact same codes. The only thing which is different is your trading psychology. When you are trading on demo account, you just focus on, let me wait for the signal, let me execute the trade when the signal is there. Then we are not having that much pressure in our mind. But when we are trading on a live account, there is an emotion which we call greed or pressure. And at that time, we are not only focusing on the technicals and signal, we are only focusing on making money. We are only focusing on doing some over trading or revenge trading. You can do one thing. Giving Baiji, you can do one thing. Use your demo account in such a way that make a strategy or make a set of rule that once you will convert your demo account into 0.5x, or you will make a certain capital from the demo account, then you will move to the live account. Start using it as your what we call as a backup or as a practice zone. So by that, I'm just trying to say that when you will be starting your day, just imagine that you have $10,000 in your demo account. So you will give yourself a target: until and unless I will not convert that 10,000 to 12,000, I will not starting my day on live account. Use your mindset in that way, that this is a real money. I have to use it wisely, because until and unless I will not be hitting that target, I will not be moving to the real account. Then slowly and gradually you will start grabbing a hold. You will start grabbing a mindset, a psychology, that how to grow a capital. Just try this one once, like try it for max to max, like for 1 week. You will start getting answers on yourself. Imran, hello sir. Okay, so Imran is also facing the same. So same suggestion to you, Imran, as well. Sir, bonus system is not great. We have to complete huge gap trade for achievement of bonus. Vithal, see, let me tell you one thing. Bonus system, I'm not going to say that it is good or it is bad. Let me just give you some quick information about that one. Now see, I know sometimes the capital or the what we call the turnover which we need to make, that is quite high, so that is quite hard to make. Now understand one thing. Just imagine that you are making a deposit of $100 and you are getting $100 as a bonus. It's like a 50-50 ratio. I'm not telling you that you will be getting, everyone might be getting a different ratio. I'm just giving you one example. Now see, if you are going to take a trade for $100, if the trade will go positive, you will be getting $80 as a profit. If the profitability is 80%, so 40 will go to your bonus, 40 will go to your capital. Okay, if the trade will go negative, 50 will be deducted from bonus, 50 will be deducted from capital. So at the same time, there are some traders, those who are stating that, sir, my profit is bifurcated. Now understand one more thing, your loss is also bifurcated. The real investment which you have made, that was only for $50, and you have got the profit as per the $50, 80% is $40, right? Second thing, if you are one of those traders, those who think that I am very good in trading, my trades are going positive, I am able to make back-to-back profits, so you can do one thing, either you can keep the capital same or you can increase the capital. Because now understand again, there are two traders. One trader without bonus system, so he is making an investment of $100, he is taking one trade is going negative, he will be losing complete 100. If he will be making a profit, he will be getting $80. Okay, at the other hand, the another trader who is having the capital bonus along with the bonus, so if he will be taking a trade of 200, if the trade is positive, 160 is the profit, so 80 will go to capital, 80 will go to the bonus. Same situation in the previous one also, he was getting 80. Second situation, if the trade will go negative, 100 will be deducted from capital, 100 will be deducted from bonus. So same loss, same profit. But at the same time, if you check the turnover, so your turnover was turned around with the double frequency. Initially, it was supposed to rotate with $100. Now it rotated with the 200. So bonus system is, I believe, it is something like a free money, because once you make a deposit, until and unless there is no such specific requirements to make a withdrawal, until and unless you do not need to make some withdrawals, you can use the way you want to use it. You just do the trade as the way you want. By any chance, if you manage to reach that turnover, good to go. That specific bonus which you have received in the beginning will convert to the real funds, you can withdraw it. In the meantime, if you need to make a withdrawal, you can make the withdrawal, bonus will disappear, but that is not going to affect your capital, or that is not going to affect the profits which you were supposed to make. I know you will, some of the traders will be saying that, sir, bonus will disappear. Of course it will disappear, but that didn't affect your capital at all. And by the end of the day, if you manage to succeed, if you manage to complete the target, you will be getting some free money. So if you will start thinking in that way, that I believe that will be helping you a lot. Still, Vithalji, if you miss something, or if I was not able to make you understand something, just let me know again. I will try to explain it again. How should I trade? I have lost my money. Imran, which strategy you were using? I'm sad to know that you made some losses, but just let me know which strategy you were using. Okay, so Asia Composite was a positive, compound index was a negative. So let's see, let's focus on compound index. What were the things which we could improve? Okay, so again there was a sudden volatility and there was a market reversal. Okay, so I have observed one thing. So whenever I am initiating or I am taking a trade on the basis of candle color plus stochastic without the confirmation from the MACD, I am making some losses. So let's do one thing. This time we will be focusing on all three aspects: candle colors plus MACD plus stochastic, if we will be getting confirmation from all these three. And this time I will be executing two back-to-back trades, one trade for 2 minutes and one trade for 3 minutes, and then we will try to conclude that which time window is doing good for us. Let's see. Okay, so both of them are quite near to base level. This one is near the overbought and this one is near to the zero level. So let's wait for the signal on the same asset. We will not be switching the asset because we might miss the opportunity, because signals are about to be there. Let me analyze a quick more, give me a quick more chance. Okay, so no support resistance levels are there nearby, and let me switch to the Heiken-Ashi candle. Okay, back to back red candles are also there. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so let me take a couple of, hello sir, Olymptrade doesn't give me deposit option, it only shows error loading, please fix my issue. Mohammed, I'm so sorry that you are facing some issues. Just take a screenshot or just record a video, just share it with the support team, they will be guiding you with that one. And in the meantime you can explore it in the browser version also. I think that you should not be facing any difficulties. Vijayji, this information is for you, that only Tuesday and Thursday we are conducting sessions in Hindi, and Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English on the same channel. So I request you, if you are more comfortable with Hindi, just connect us during those days. And in the meantime you can explore our playlist also. Whatever the sessions which we have conducted in the past, everything is available in the playlist. So just open the Hindi playlist and you will be getting all the access to all the previous videos. Traders, I am informing you again. So on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. Whichever you are comfortable with, you can join as per that one. And make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live again, so of course you will be able to get in touch with us. I have executed, as I have mentioned, that I will be executing 2 trades. So let me just show you on compound index. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so on compound index I have executed 2 trades. All 3 confirmations were there, red candles, MACD intersected the base level, zero level, and at the same time there was a reversal started from the overbought zone. If you are not able to understand or you are not able to memorize it, let me give you a very random idea to memorize that which one is overbought and which one is oversold. So overbought word with ending with the T, so the top level. Oversold ending with the D, so the down level. So this is how you can memorize it. The reason why I'm just asking you to memorize it, because sometime when we are talking to any trader, or we are talking in, like, we are talking about anything in a session, so sometimes we are just only saying that okay, there was a reversal from the overbought zone or oversold zone. So just to make sure that you understand that what exactly we are talking about, if in case if we are in hurry, so at least you should be able to understand it. So that is the reason that you can try to memorize it. In the meantime, all you just need to focus on that whenever there is a price correction started or a trend reversal is there, because this is a trend reversal too. Okay, so let me take a couple of more comments. RNG, same request to you, if you are more comfortable with Hindi, Tuesdays and Thursdays are the one. Okay, I'm so sorry, I just scrolled it, so I missed some comments. Okay, unique generation, hello. Rafiq Islam, hello. Deepak is saying my all trades is lost because of last moment I used 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, and using support and resistance. Deepak ji, that try to understand that what exactly the mistake which you are doing. Focus on that, which technical you are using. It's not only about the if I will be starting using a very long time chart time frame, then I will start making profits. I am also making sometime I am taking some trades for 2 hours to 3 hours, and I am analyzing a 30-minute chart time window, but I am using some specific strategies also. So which strategy you are using, just let me know. Okay, can you please help me what I need to do? Rafiqal, see, all you just need to invest some time, learn about it. Once you will grab a hold on that one, practice it on your demo, then switch to the live account. Rinki ji, hello. Vithal, okay. Farah, Aap, Divyansh, hello. Okay, so hello to everyone. Please, why do you use a 2-minute trade duration instead of 1 or 5? See, Larry Paul, it's completely depending on technical to technical, strategy to strategy, and your own experience also. That is completely fine. You can use like a if you want to go for a 5-minute chart time frame, or if you want to take a trade for 3 minutes, there is one strategy which is a combination of Jactar plus stochastic, or Jactar and RSI. Sometimes that I am using for 3 candles or 6 candles. So if I want to take a trade for a shorter time duration, I am using a 30-second chart time frame. If I want to go for a longer time duration, I am using a 30-minute chart time frame, and opening a trade for 2 or 2 to 3 hours. So it's depending on technical to technical. There is one more strategy which we called barcode, and that one we are using D marker only, and that is only for 1 minute chart time frame and 1 minute trade time frame. So it's depending on strategy to strategy, technical to technical. Okay, very nice. So we managed to book 2 back-to-back profits. Let me show you. Okay, so we took these 2 trades on the basis of all 3 confirmation. Back-to-back red candles were there. There was an intersection of MACD, and at the same time market started making some corrections from the overbought zone. So we have executed 2 back-to-back trades. One was for 2 minutes, one was for 3. So like one was for 2 candle, one was for 3 candle, and both trades were positive. Okay, so again, hello to everyone. Okay, gamer here, I have a question. Yeah, please sir, just type your question. Go for it. Okay, hello to everyone. Don't trade Olymptrade, only trade Indian and Forex. Don't trade asset. Trade Indian and Forex. Air boy, I didn't got your comment. Just try to claim me. Just give me 30 USD for trade. Vithal, I would love to help you with that one, but I'm so sorry we are not allowed to do that. I'm so sorry, buddy. Okay, so again, hello to everyone. Kamalji, I wish you the same. I wish you a very belated happy Diwali. I hope everything was good, going good, and things are fine. And of course, to you and your family also, very happy Diwali. Okay, Amir, good, thank you, sir. Trade ban, sir. Kya next 5 years में? See, Kamalji, that is completely up to you. Like, it's not like that you need to invest 5 years. If you will start learning and you will start exploring it, and you will follow that set of rule, if you will follow that specific discipline, because see, there is a very thin line difference between a trader and a successful trader. If you want to move from a trader category to a successful trader, all you just need to follow the discipline. And discipline doesn't mean that you have to wake up at 5 p.m, you have to hit the gym, you have to do this, that. All you just need to stick to your trading psychology. How much I am supposed to make in a single day, how much I am supposed to lose in a single day, when I am supposed to stop, when I am supposed to start. These are the things which you need to focus on. We're supposed to take at least profit from bonus. It will motivate us to deposit money as per bonus. See, Vithalji, whenever you will be making a withdrawal, so bonuses are removed from the platform. But I believe this time, like in this new bonus system, of course you can convert your bonus in your real fund. So this is something I think you can appreciate and you can focus on. Hello sir, Kamalji, I'm so sorry, like there were so many comments in the just above you, so I took some time to respond. I'm so sorry for that. Sir, should we start trading with a proper firm? Kamalji, I didn't get your question. Like, can we start trading with the proprietor firm? Please, at least once I reply my comment. I'm so sorry, sir. Jactar strategy. Okay, so Deepakji, if you are using Jactar, the strategy is quite nice. You can do one thing. You can add RSI or stochastic to that. RSI you can either add with the 14 frequency, or you can use with 10. That is completely up to you. Or at the same time, you can focus on stochastic. The reason behind is, sometime when you will be focusing that the market is trying to move, hit any of the frequency, either like 50, 100 or 200. At the same time, you might be observing that market is already in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone. So you can pick the confirmation from there, like whether that will act, that specific frequency will act as a support or resistance. Because Jactar, how exactly it works? So all the frequencies in that one, they are going to act as either support or resistance. So how it is going to work, how it is going to react, like stochastic might help you to improve it. It's not going to assure you 100% accuracy, but you will start observing that there might be some signals which are quite dicey or which are false signals, so you will be able to avoid it. Okay, Larry, please, your candlestick movement is not the same with what I have. Yes, of course, Larry, the reason behind is there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So that is the reason that you will not be able to find the same, but you will be finding that the candle is which is visible on my screen, that will be visible on your screen like 1 or 2 candles prior to that. Already it's already visible there. Ankiji, hello. Vittal, I'm so sorry, I will not be able to share my personal details. We are not allowed as per the litigation rule. I want to learn forex on Olymptrade. Can you help me? Ankit, I'm so sorry, like I would love to help you with that one, but we are about to wind up the session, and that is a quite wide topic. But in case in future if we will come up with the forex trading mode, or we have discussed about that in the past, just go to the playlist section in English and Hindi, both of them you will be able to find. Just scroll a bit, you will be finding that one. I already using. Then Deepak ji, just tell me that what is the thing which you are missing, like why the trade is not going positive, like whenever you are executing the trade, like is there a volatile market or you are trading on some odd hours, like what exactly is the issue? I believe like you have your personal analyst also, I'm not sure, but like I had a conversation with a trader having the same name. Last 3 months I am facing last moment issue in fixed time trade. Then Deepak ji, if you are having your personal analyst also, I request, I'll suggest have a conversation with him, just explore your trades, that what are the things which can be improved. Like as whenever I am taking any trade, like if the trade is positive, I'm not bothering about it, but if the trade is negative, you can pick my previous session also, I am always checking that specific trade, that why that trade was a negative. So in this one, when we started exploring that, okay, there was a reversal, so that is quite common. At the same time, when I have tried to observe that this specific signal, so I have also commented, I have also mentioned that third confirmation was there, not there, only 2 confirmation was there, so I have taken a trade on the basis of that one. After that trade on the same asset, I have executed back to back 2 trades with the same amount, but with the 2 different time frame. One was with 2 minute, one was with 3 minute, but with all 3 confirmation, and trades were positive. So these are the things I believe like you should also try to analyze. Can you tell me strategy for see Ankit, you can use the same strategy which we are using today, Rodeo. At the same time you can explore another, like see whatever the strategy you want to use. Let me show you how exactly you can explore. So in front of every strategy it's mentioned, this is for forex, this is for forex, this is only for fixed time trading, Excel is for both of them, so you can explore everything. So that's how you can explore like which strategy can be used for fixed time and forex. And one insight I just want to share with you, so whenever you are going to use trade on the forex part, minimum suggested time frame is 1 hour to 4 hour. Reason behind, the longer the duration you are going to keep your position, the more market is going to go in your favor, the more profit you are going to make. It's not only about 1 or 5 minutes, because in 1 to 5 minutes, of course, there is a possibility that market will move into that specific direction, but how much it will be there and how much profit it will create. So you need to focus on the time frame. And traders, before we'll move to another part, before I'll miss something, let me just give you a quick insight about that CPI data which I have discussed in the beginning of the conversation. So let me show you one thing. See, this candle was there at sharp 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If I'll show you a different asset in USD, where USD is in the front, you will be observing the same thing, big red candle. Let me show you more and more. So this is quite common, this one. Now at the same time, when we will be focusing on something where USD is in the back, we will be observing a green candle, and it's not a normal green candle, it's going to be very large, very big green candle. Let me show you, say this one. So now AUD USD, let me show you some more examples. So where is Euro USD? Oh, let me, yeah, here we go. See, so the reason behind this big green candle was CPI data. CPI data was published today at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And at that time we found that there was a growth in the CPI, in like which we called inflation. So inflation increased, that affect the US dollar. US dollar got affected and the value of US dollar decreased. So as a result, we found these big candles. These are not quite normal candles. If I'll try to observe it, if I'll try to explain it, now see, you can observe the movement. If you're not well aware about that thing, like what exactly I am talking about, so the trading can be divided into three major parts. First one, based on technical, which is based on the previous data, candles, patterns and everything. Second one, which is based on the present data, which we call graphical analysis. So first one is technical analysis, second one is graphical analysis, which is based on the present data, like how the candle is being formed, what are the patterns are there, double top, hammer candle, doji candle, shooting star, hanging man, whatever is there. Second thing. Third one, which we call fundamental data, which is based on future data, like what data can be there and how it is going to affect the market. So once you will start grabbing hold on all of these three, you will start making profits. And I like there were some traders, those who were stating that I am new to the trading, how I can start. So you can try to cover each one of topic one by one, and then you will start aligning them. Once you will be able to grab a hold on that one, you will be able to find difference in your trade result. And if you are very curious to know that how exactly this data works, so on every Monday we are conducting one special webinar where we are only talking about these fundamentals. My colleague Akash, he is coming live on the same channel 6:30 Indian Standard Time. So if you are from some another time zone, I request you just amend it as per your requirement, as per your time zone. So he is conducting a session specifically focused on fundamentals. So he will be giving you information about that, what the data published and what the data we can expect in the coming coming days. He will be also guiding you with different websites from where you can fetch that information, from where you can pick that information. So I'm sure that you will be able to grab some useful information from there, and you will be able to make some profits on the platform. Traders, I can see that there are no much comments, no reactions. So I think either I am making this conversation quite boring or everybody understood everything. So if everybody's understood everything, I request you just give me some reaction, your thumbs up or anything, so that I will also feel that okay, we are still connected. So you can just drop your lit emoji, hearts, anything, or you can just give me a thumbs up in the comment section. So that will also motivate me that whatever I am talking about, you are also grabbing that information, and that information is useful and suitable for you also. I get very nice questions. So if you are using any strategy, whenever you if I'll give you a quick example about the Rodeo, or like if you're using RSIs, or so what you can do, you can open your position from this level, you can hold it until this level, then you can close your position again, you can open another position in the upward direction, you can close. So once you will start grabbing that one, then you will start understanding that when to close a position or when to open. And make sure whenever you are going to open any position on any asset, make sure there is no such fundamental data is in the pipeline, or close your position prior to that, because if the data will be in your favor, that will boost your profit like anything. But if the data is against your position, then that can affect your trade a lot. So make sure you also focused on that part. Fundamentally something very useful, very lucrative. I have seen so many traders, those who are using doing a news based trading. So what news based trading exactly means, so they are coming live only when the data is about to float. They will just explore the asset, they will just move here and there, they will just analyze the news, and then they will execute the trade, make the profit, and they will leave the platform. Then they will come next time. Okay, so Amarji is saying, yes sir, you are explaining in a good way. If you show me us two to three more trades, we can gain more experience in this too. And please also tell me what is the best time to take a trade. Amarji, I would love to take a couple of more trades if we will be grabbing any opportunity, of course. Okay, so here we can expect a signal sooner or later. The support resistance level is quite far, and market is already in the overbought zone, so we can expect that there might be some price corrections. So once we will be getting any update, any signal, we will try to execute a trade. And if you talk about the timing, so let me See, it's not like that at that time you will be making profit or at that time you will be making losses, because sometime I'm explaining that at 7 p.m. Indian standard US market is opening up. At that time we can expect some volatility. That doesn't mean that in US market you will not be making profit. There are traders, those who are making profits in that time also. All you just need to stay focused, and you should be ready to adapt the changes. By that I mean to say, sometime the trade which you are doing, or like that like market is divided into three time zones, or like in three sessions: Asian, European, and US, New York. So sometime I have seen some traders, those who are stating, sir, early morning when I started, or when I started in Asian time zone, I was making trades with 2 minutes, everything was going fine. Then I switched to the European session, everything was fine at that time. But when the US market started, I started facing losses with the same strategy, same time frame. But if you will start analyzing that what exactly happened or what is required to be changed, that is only the trade time frame. Just switch from 2 to 3 candle. And that is the reason I am always suggesting, in case if you are doing some back testing, or if you are trying to explore the strategy, if you are trying to implement it in a different time zone, make sure you do the back testing during the same window. Or you can do one thing: whenever the market is switching from one zone to another zone, take a break. Specifically when the market is switching to US session. So specifically, if I'll be more precise, from 6:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 7:50. Take a half-hour break. Try to explore if the market is still following the same direction. Open a couple of trades on demo account. Try to implement the same strategy. If everything is working fine, good to go. If not, then switch to the 3 minute or like 3 candle trade. If earlier 2 was there, or if earlier 3 was there, switch to 2 candle. Just try to explore. You slowly and gradually you will start grabbing hold on that one. And one more thing, traders, I want to suggest you, there is no requirement to take trades throughout your day. Just spend 2 to 3 hours, or like whatever is your target, how much you want to make in a day. Make that much money and then exit the market. Come next day. So that's how you are supposed to trade. It's not like that I will start my day from the morning and I will keep on trading till midnight. I will make a very nice profit and then I will wipe out the profit and then I will start wiping out my capital also. It's not like that. Set a rule: how much I want to make, how much I want to lose, whatever is touched during that day, that's it. Good to go. Life specialist from Bonita, very nice, very nice. So this is something like which I would love to know, that from where traders have joined, because the main motive of this channel is to connect with the traders, connect with our dear ones, those who are sitting in the different time zones, different countries, so that we can connect with them, help them in their trading concerns. So thank you so much for joining Live Special. You made my session special also. Okay, Ruth Jebet, he said hi. Hello Ruth, I hope you are doing good. And traders, before we'll wind up today's conversation, I hope everything was streamlined. You understood a new strategy. Before winding up the conversation, I just want to give you a quick insight again. Please make sure whatever the strategy you have learned today, practice it on your demo account. Open minimum to minimum 70 to 100 trades. Then conclude whether that strategy is suitable for you, whether that was working for you or not. It's not like that sometime I'm talking to some traders, I am giving them strategy, and after 2 days when I am having a conversation again with them, so they are stating that, sir, I opened 10 trades, 4 trades were positive or 3 trades were positive, so that strategy was not good, give me a new strategy. It's not like that. You have to spend some time on that one. And I know, see, it is quite like I can understand that if you will be opening 100 trades on a new strategy, you might be losing $100 if all trades will go negative. So that is completely fine if you are using it on your demo account. As I have already explained, the codes on both of them are exact same. It's only the mindset which we have, which create a difference. Amy, hello. Ahmed, thank you so much. Live Special, I am a new, I don't know anything about trading, but I trade. I don't know it's working or not. See, Live Special, understand one thing. If you are making money, it's working for you. If you are not able to make some money, you have to learn about it. And it's not only about trading, it's everything in our life. We have to spend some time, we have to invest some time to learn a couple of things. So there is no such shame that I am new to something, because see, understand one thing. Every professional every single professional who is too good in his work, he was or she was a fresher at one moment. Nobody learns something like there are very special cases, like you have some inherited talent at that, you can observe everything, or you have a sixth sense that how the market is going to react. That is very very unusual case. Rest of everyone, we have to invest time. What is the literal meaning of the word rodeo? I'm not sure what exactly Rohit that means. I think person who invented this strategy, I think that was the name of, I do not dive into that, but it's a very nice question. I'll try to dive into that, like what's the meaning of rodeo. Let me meaning. So I'll try to find it. It's a competition or performance in which people show their skill in riding wild horses. Okay, so that is a different explanation I got on Google. So that is it. I think it means that riding the directions or riding that specific insights to grab the opportunity. That's how we can relate it. Okay, so live special, I saw big amount in my pending list, but how can I use that amount? But I tried. Live special, I didn't got your question. I am so sorry. Nahid is hello. Okay, so traders, I am so sorry, I'll not be able to spend more time with you. I hope everything was streamlined, you got all the required information. And lifestyle, in case if you missed something, like I didn't got your last comment, so if anything is pending, if any of your amount is pending, just connect with the support team, support-hi@olymptrade.com. There you can drop your email, as you are from Bangladesh, so you can write them to there, and they will be guiding you with all your concerns. And thank you so much, traders. Again, thank you so much for sparing time. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. I hope everything will be streamlined for you. And before winding up the session, I request you again, please make sure subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming next, we will try to help you with all your trading concerns. So stay healthy, stay safe, keep learning, keep earning. This was your host, your friend, your elder brother, or you can consider me anything, your well-wisher, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Ankit, love you a lot, and love you everyone. Take care. Cheers.